Hey.
For me?
Yes, that's green juice.
Whoa. That's very green.
Greeny.
Yeah.
You have to finish it.
Tastes good. There's
Good.
a little thick, huh?
That's the ginger. Can you guess what's in it? Can you taste
Banana.
banana? Oh, strong.
Yeah, the ginger.
Yep.
That's pretty hard.
Sense of taste mo, wala pa. Taste buds mo?
I can taste ginger and banana.
There's chicken feet.
Chicken feet?
Yeah. Just kidding. Celery, ginger,
Oh, yeah, celery.
oregano, banana, lime.
Lime? Really?
Yes. Okay, finish it.
Okay. Thank you.